Hey guys, last video for today. I'm sure you're tired of hearing my voice. So we're going to take a look at this fact fluency. There's a couple different problems on fact fluency, but they're all dealing with groups of 10. And I want you to remember, what is 10 groups of 10? If I had to think about 10 groups of 10. So if I counted by 10 times, what number would I be? Every time you see that number, this right here says 10 groups of 10, you could highlight it if that would help you, because I think you all would be able to know how many is in 10 groups of 10. So my question though says, how many groups of 10 groups of 10 would be in 200? So if I know how many are in 10 groups of 10, I might put equals here so I could know equals whatever. How many of those are in 200? So however many groups of those go in 200, well, you would need to put here. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to work through this first one together. So the first one, 10 groups of 10, I know equals, my dog keeps coming in. Sorry, guys. Okay, so 10 groups of 10 equals 100. So I want to know how many groups of 100 are inside 200. That's my first question right here. It says how many groups of 10 groups of 10 are in 200. So I think, how many times can 100 go into 200? I know that my answer would be 2, so I put that in there. And then this is just a different way of writing that equation. 2 groups of 10 groups of 10 is the same as 200. Then on these down here, how many groups of 10 groups of 10 is the same as 400? So how many groups of 10 groups of 10 do you need in 400? And then you have one last page, just has 2 more questions on it. 600 is the same as how many groups of 10 groups of 10? There's a little space on here if you need to work anything out. And then the last one says, how could you represent the number 300 as 10 groups of 10 with an equation? Remember, an equation would be something similar to this. So if you even wanted to copy that and paste it down there so you have something to start with, you can highlight it and then you can hit edit, and then you would hit copy. And then if I wanted to put that down here to help me, I would hit edit again and paste. And then I would need to erase this because I know that I'm not working with 600 this time, I'm working with 300. So I want to know what that would look like if how many groups of 10 are in the number 3, how many 10 groups of 10 are in 300. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Happy learning.